this is Chef Adriana, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a super easy recipe with our Yellow Mojo. And it's Peruvian coconut shrimp. It's one of our most popular recipes on our website, and it's Peruvian because this mojo has ají amarillo, which is this chile right here, which is citrusy and spicy, but like a medium mild spicy. So it goes wonderful with coconut milk and is great for any curry dishes. So let's get started. So I'm gonna turn on my pan, and while that heats up, I'm gonna season my shrimp. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Then you're gonna add olive oil. We have our Casas de Waldo olive oil, which is so good. About 3 to 4 tablespoons. And the first ingredient we're gonna add is our scallions. So you can also add onions or shallots, but we're gonna start with this one. Not too many because we need space for the shrimp. We can add more later. Just to add a little bit of flavor. Every ingredient you add a little bit of salt. It brings out the flavor. So once, oh my goodness. So that just happened. You get it in one. Always have one of those Julia Child moments. So we're gonna add our shrimp. That we just seasoned. Goes right in the pan. I'm gonna get another spatula. You're not going to cook this very long, just for like 2 or 3 minutes per side. And when they start to turn pink, we are going to add the mojo. 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, y 4. 4 tablespoons, a little bit